Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about my new camera. I am so super excited. I have been recording with my iPhone, which I'm actually recording with right now. And I have been looking for a camera for this channel. And finally, I decided on the Canon G7 PowerShot Mark II. I am super excited. So today is really just going to be like a unboxing of this camera and just kind of showing you what all comes inside of it and whatnot. And then going forward, this is what I'll be recording on going forward. So I'm super excited. I've been waiting. It didn't take too long to ship. I ordered this, I think Sunday. It said that I would receive it on Thursday. And yeah, today's Wednesday, baby. So let's get into it. I'm so excited. Ordered it from Amazon. It came with a bundle. So we're just going to see what all this stuff is and what it looks like. Let's see. I am so excited. I was at work talking about it. I spent so much time like researching, trying to figure out what I wanted in a camera, looking at different people doing YouTube tutorials like this camera versus other cameras. So needless to say, here we are, sis. So this obviously is to return. She's not going back, baby. Period, poo. So the box is open. This is how it looks. I don't know if you can see all the stuff in there. So let's get started. It comes with this deluxe point and shoot camera case. So that's this guy. Let's open it up, see what it looks like. So apparently my camera's pretty small. I did want something that was kind of handy. Sorry, that's Cinnamon, if you can hear her little bell. This little case here. I probably will get a cuter case because I'm precious and I like all things girly. And it comes with a 64 gig SD card. That's here. And what is this guy here? Let's see. This, I'm not really sure what this is. Some kind of a gimbal of some sort. I don't know how this works, but I don't know. We'll see. Not really sure. Maybe you guys know what this is. I don't. Let's see. An additional battery is inside. Digital camera battery. It's not a Canon brand. I did want a Canon additional battery, but you know, it's all good. So yeah. Lithium ion is the battery. Let's see. Also comes with the essential photo kit capture shot. See that? I don't know if you guys can see that. So this has fiber cloth for removing smudges and fingerprints, cotton swabs, cleaning fluid to maintain your screen and lenses, dust blower, removes dust from your delicate equipment, 2-in-1 cleaning solution and cleaning brush in one compact pen, 3-piece customizable screen kit, protector kit with squeegee for a smooth application, memory card wallet, it's handy, SD card reader and writer, and a mini tripod. So there's a mini tripod in here. Got to be really mini because baby, this is an itty bitty box. Oh, he's so cute. Look at that. That's so little. So a little teeny tiny tripod. Got that. And then I am new to camera, so I know I see people have these, but I don't quite know what she's for. But yeah, she's in here. That guy. And then there's a 50-inch Pro Series tripod. So this is in there as well. Let's see. Ooh, the ghetto. Okay. So yeah, this guy's in there. If you guys can see that. So yeah, pretty dope. 3-way pan head with tilt motion, adjustable center pole, and 3-section alloy legs. I already have one of these somewhere. I don't see it right now. It's usually, oh, here it is. I have one, but you know, girl, why not have another? So yeah, now I have another one of these guys. Yeah, so I'm happy about this bundle. Most importantly, for the bundle, I definitely just wanted an additional camera. Like, that was a huge big deal to me. So got that. And last but not least, darlings, we have, so excited, it is the actual camera. Beautiful packaging, I might say. I love black. It's like my favorite color. This Canon PowerShot G7 Mark II digital camera. I'm so happy. You have no idea. So let's open it up. So pressed. Pressed. Alrighty. So we have a cord here, this kind of cord, okay. A getting started manual, which will be in full use because I don't know anything about cameras for real. So this is legit a learning process for me. So I'll be using that. And let's see what else is in here. There is the battery, that there. A little handle, little lanyard handle, and the charger for the battery. And now, without further ado, my baby, my new baby. Ooh, yes, so excited. Look at my camera. I'm so happy. So here is my new camera. Yes. This camera is so small. I love this. And it has a viewfinder so I can see myself and what the F I'm doing. That's pretty useful. So it flips up and then, I don't know, does it flip any other direction, sis? Ooh, yep, that way. So when I'm recording, I can see what's going on, you know? That has been such a struggle for me with the iPhone. Like, it has been so stressful. So I'm going to open this bad boy up. Use my brow shears. Pop this baby in and let's see what she got. My baby wants to get out of the room, guys. I can hear her fussing over there. Okay, am I supposed to? Oh, cool. So I can just like push it. You see, like it's not coming out. You just push it in and it stays. Really, Cinnamon? So you just push it in and it stays, you see? There, and flap it close and lock. She's locked in now. I hope it has some battery. Ooh, she fancy or whatever. So let's see. It wants me to set the date and time. Today is, I don't even know what today is. Girl, what is today? I think it's the 29th. I don't know. We'll just go with that for now. So I'm setting the date. It is 2020. The clarity. Ooh, child. I love it. Look at that. Is it? That's intense. I like it. So yeah. And that's what we got. Okay. Cool. Cool. Ooh. Does this come out or something? Trying to understand. So there's a lot of functions, features on here that I'm going to definitely get into. But yeah, this is the camera. And there's my little tiny viewfinder that is touchscreen. So yeah, this is what I'll be recording on going forward. And I'm super, super excited about it because I literally did not realize I was recording in portrait mode on my phone, which was making my videos like this. So yeah, now I will be doing it with this one and I can actually see what I'm doing. So yeah, this is the Canon G7X Mark II. So I'm excited. All right, so if you can, take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe if you have questions or anything that you want to share with me about this camera. If you already know about this camera, I am open to it. Just send me some stuff, some feedback. So thank you for watching and have a good day, guys. Bye.